my name is Dr. Robert Garrison. I'm here in Columbus, Ohio, and we're here to talk on this video briefly about cosmetic dentistry here in Columbus. Cosmetic dentistry is the science and the art of using all of the tools we have available, all of the materials, the ability and processes that we've developed over the years to essentially make your teeth look their absolute best. Each of us has known people that seem to just light up a room when they walk in, and that's the kind of result that we're trying to create if you're in that ballpark. We're working on cosmetic dentistry. Our smiles are one of the things that are truly affect how other people see us, and is such a huge part of our first impression that we meet. If you're in a sales type position, it's almost imperative that you make sure that your smile is in the best shape it can be. Business meetings, general interactions, anything you have with other people, if you're not happy, comfortable with your smile, if you're not smiling, you're not reaching out to other people, and you have a different style of life than you would have if you weren't. So the smile is incredibly important to each and every one of us. So how can we get your smile that doesn't look the way you want it to look better? We have a number of processes that we can use to do that. The first one we usually start with is whitening. And that's the process of using either a small tray that you wear at home. It has this whitening gel in it. It's usually something called a carbamamide peroxide material. And what it does is it slowly whitens and bleaches that organic component of your teeth that tends to turn yellow as we age. That process is called whitening. And once we whiten some teeth up, that makes you look younger, because as we age, our teeth have a natural tendency to yellow, so we want to reset the clock, at least from a color perspective. Once that's done, we start looking at, all right, where do we want to put some teeth? Are the teeth in the right place? Which is one advantage that we have here versus some other offices, is because we do orthodontics as well. So if the teeth are not quite in the right place where they need to be, we can move them where we want them, so that the final result, if we still need to do a veneer or crown, which I'll talk about in a minute, it looks better because the teeth start off in a better position. So we're going to start with whitening. Once they're white, then we're going to start with is some type of, we talked about the orthodontics of the braces, moving them where they need to be. The next step is something called a veneer or crown. The veneers are essentially a fake front. They're a porcelain shell that just kind of fits over the front of that tooth, and essentially we reset the shape of it. If you've worn them down, we recreate the shape that they used to be when you were younger, and essentially reset your clock as far as the looks go. Crowns are merely a 100% coverage. They go all the way around the top of the tooth, and what they do is I can change the shape. I can sometimes change the orientation. If that tooth is kind of turned around a little bit, we can put that on and kind of bring it back. All of those kinds of things to make your smile look the way it was supposed to look. That is the art and science. Now, the art portion of it is involved in the fact that each and every one of us develops things, and some of us can draw, some of us can't. Some of us can, see teeth and make them look really, really great, and some of us have not quite as good. We do very, very well here, and I'd be very happy to show you any of our results. So we'll be happy to see if you need us for a visit. And thank you. I want to say thank you very much for listening to my video, and I'll be happy to answer any questions at our phone number at our office. So either look at the banner that's up above us, or call us on the phone. We'll be happy to answer any questions for you. Thank you.